Hi everybody, Trevor Knesal here with NextHome Treasure Valley. Hope you're doing well. I am here in the Bellingham Park subdivision this evening to tell you a little bit about a spacious home I just put on the market a couple hours ago. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home and is the only home on the market in this subdivision and the only 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home in all of South Meridian, priced at under $300,000. The home is being sold with all of its appliances, including the high-capacity front-load LG washer and dryer upstairs, and the refrigerator, every appliance, as well as a 65-inch flat-screen TV and surround sound system. This home is in an amazing location. It's about 1,000 feet from Bellingham Park's community swimming pool, and is just in a great area. The Renaissance Park in Tuscany is a very short distance away from here. Please give me a call or send me a text anytime if you'd like to have a closer look at the home in person. Please also be sure to watch the associated video on the page that highlights some of the nearby attractions. I apologize, that video also lacks some enthusiasm on my part, but if you want to see some enthusiasm, just show your children how close this place is to Roaring Springs Water Park and Wahoo's. If that doesn't work, tell your spouse about the top-rated doctors and dentists in the area, as well as the schools. Here where this home is, you're within the boundaries of Sienna Elementary School, Victory Middle School, and Mountain View High School. All very good schools and all right here in the area. Call or text anytime. I'll be happy to help you out any way that I can. Thanks.